And here we are in St Mary's, and the organ from St Mary's has been taken away. It's gone to Oslo, and this is where it was. This is what's left after all the piping has been taken away. And apparently all this section is going to go as well. And here we have the old doors, which haven't been opened for 200 years, apparently. Let's look out here onto the St Mary's main church roof. The roof above. And apparently the pipes, and there were 6,000 of them, went all the way up to the top of the roof up here. So, and all this lot's going to go as well. And this is the other side. Again with the stained glass window. Oh no, it's not stained glass. With the roof. And, looks like the holes for some of the piping. Oh, these are the whatever you call them, the bellows that presumably go up and down. Wow, I think there's some bellows there as well. Amazing thing is this door at the back, which like I say, it's not been opened for 200 years. That was amazing. Some more bellows here. But all this is going apparently off to Oslo in Norway. Here we are now, coming back into the main body of the church.